Welcome to Drona for You. Today's interview question: Migrate an airflow dark to dark store assets, and what do you gain? Let's nail this. When an interviewer asks this, they're testing whether you understand the shift from task centric thinking to asset centric thinking. Airflow asks what tasks ran in what order. Daxter asks what data exists and how it is built. Most candidates just rename the tasks to ops and call it done. The interviewer hears you have never shipped Daxter. Bare ops give you zero lineage. That is the real miss. Here's how to nail it. Instead of three tasks, declare three assets, pieces of data you want to exist. A software defined asset is a Python function that produces a table or a file. So extract becomes a raw orders asset, transform becomes a cleaned orders asset, load becomes a daily revenue asset. Load becomes a daily revenue asset. Each one names what it depends on, so Darkster Auto draws the lineage for free. What you gain in Airflow, a failed task tells you something broke. In Darkster, you see exactly which table is stale, and you rematerialize just that one asset, not the whole pipeline. The shift from what tasks ran to what data exists. Here's what impresses them. If you migrate to bare ops instead of assets, ops run code but register nothing in the asset graph. Lineage vanishes entirely. Assets are the unit, not ops. That is the production gotcha almost no one says in an interview. Keep learning, keep building. Thank you for learning with Drona for You.